Okay, this is Mother's Day 2014, and my son and I are going on a nature's walk. Where are we, Christopher?
We're in the Environmental Science Center Nature Walk.
Did you hear that? The Environmental Nature Center walk in Longwood, Florida. And a little bit ago, we stopped and we took a still photo of a burrowing turtle. So I think on the way back, I will see if my new handy-dandy camera will take a picture of him. We could see his little snout and his feet. So here we are. We have a lot of palmetto bushes, which are the spiny palm tree looking things. These are palmetto bushes. And then these are ferns. I'm not sure what kind of ferns they are, but they're ferns. Isn't this pretty out here? You'd never know that it's like 88 degrees right now. Hi, we just saw you. See, we're not the only ones taking a nature walk today, folks. Hopefully we'll see something interesting.
Probably not.
Hopefully no lions, tigers, or bears. Oh my.
Oh my.
Okay, check this out, people. This is natural Florida. This is the way it looked before man came in, knocked down all the trees, replaced it with asphalt and concrete, and stinky cars, and everything else.
Well, it had more swamp.
This is Florida in its raw form. Isn't it pretty?
We'll go through Basswood.